Hello, I am Jaime and I am going to show the how it works the program called degrees. Okay, first we are going to the folder, we open a terminal and then we are going to check first the small database. We have the instruction python 3 degrees.py presenter, and we are going to check with the names of Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise. Like we see, it has 1 degree of separation because they both start in a feel good men. Okay, so then we are going to check the large database. We have to wait to load data. It spends some time. Okay, and when we have the data loaded, we are going to test with the names of the example of here, Emma Watson and Jennifer Lawrence. Okay, we are going to okay, we could see that it has 3 degrees of separation. Emma Watson, Michael Gambon started in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. Michael Gambon and Charlotte Rampling started in Paris by Night, and Charlotte Rampling and Jennifer Lawrence started in Red Sparrow. We can see is the same result, 3 degrees of separation, but here it has another path of minimum length, but like we can see in the specification that there are multiple paths of minimum from this. The function can return any of them, so the program works, and that it will be the program, my program.